If you want to earn money by creating job portal website, then please watch this video completely, because in this video I will teach you how to create a professional job portal website using premium source code. If you create a job portal website using this premium source code, you will get 6 homepage designs. As you can see, these designs are very nice and very professional. You can use any design of your choice on the homepage of the website. You are getting admin panel to manage this job portal website. In this admin panel you get all the features to manage the job portal section. Also you get all the features and functionality step by step to manage this job portal website in this admin panel. In this video I will discuss with you step by step the functionality and features of admin panel. Now I will introduce you to the important nice features of the website, then we will learn how to create a professional job portal website like this. We can add specific menus of our choice to the homepage of the website. Then our website visitors can search for specific jobs according to their category. Here we can show different job categories. Then we can show various job listings here so users can apply to the jobs of their choice. Also, our website homepage has more nice section which will be very interesting for our website visitors. Now, how can you earn money by creating this website? You can definitely make money on this website because you can earn a lot of money from this website by selling premium subscription packages. We can create these premium subscription packages through the admin panel. New visitors to our website can register very easily. And you can easily log in to our website. And we have the most powerful dashboard panel for website users. Users can manage their account step by step using this dashboard panel, because users are getting all kinds of features and functionality sections to manage the account. So let us now learn step by step how to create a professional job portal website like this. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create job portal website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish job portal website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we have to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect the database information of the hosting panel to the website. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we will click on install button. Now we have to submit the admin login information step by step. Then we will click on create button. Now we have to submit the purchase information here correctly for purchase verification. We have successfully installed the source code. As you can see now our website is completely ready. Now you can easily customize the website step by step by logging into the admin panel. You can customize important features and functionalities of the website in the General Settings section. You can customize these feature sections step by step according to your needs. We can also integrate many automatic international payment methods with the website. Here we can see many international automatic payment methods. You can add these payment methods according to your needs. If you want to customize the home page of the website, then you have to come to the appearance section, because in this section you are getting all kinds of features section to customize the home page of the website. You can change the home page of the website step by step using these feature sections. Also, you get all kinds of features and functionality to manage the job portal section. If you have problem understanding anything about admin panel, then contact us. We will help you how to customize admin panel. In this video we learn how to create professional job portal website. If you have any query about this video, then comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you don't want to miss our next videos, then definitely subscribe our channel.